Hello guys, today we got this large doggy door. This is for the wall. It actually comes with a cover that you can actually use to cover both of the sides so that way you can contain your dog either inside or outside. It has a magnetic flaps. Let's unbox it. Let me show you how it looks. Inside the box, we're going to get this wall entry pet door cutting template so that way you can actually make the proper cut and you can actually install your door properly. This is a very large door for larger dogs. There's also, different sizes that you can actually pick for smaller dogs. Inside the box, you will also find this instruction manual so that way you can understand how to put it together, how to construct the tunnel for the dog to actually go through the door, and it will also have all of its pieces. Okay, so you will get all of the hardware so that way you can definitely install it. You can actually see this magnetic flap right here that the dog will actually use to actually push through and go through the other side. Okay, now in order to actually put it together, you will have to actually build and use this to actually construct the tunnel. You will insert it inside your wall, and once you're done, you will definitely put this on the other end. Now this is the actual cover for the doggy door that you can actually just insert, okay, just like this, and that way your dog cannot actually cross in or out. Now you can actually see this plastic right here that's going to create insulation so that way your heat or your cold air does not exit the house, maintaining the temperature inside the house. This doggy door will definitely get you a lot of benefits for you and your dog. In order to construct the doggy door, is very simple. First, you're going to have to find out what's the width of your wall. So once you have decided that, then you can actually cut this into those lines, okay? And once you have cut, then you can proceed on putting it together. So your pet can actually go through this tunnel in and out the house. So I hope that the information about this large doggy dog was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.